Customer came in for a no start problem. The starter just spinning on the flywheel, so thought maybe there was a broken flywheel or something. So, we're just looking around it, investigating, trying to see why the starter's not catching the flywheel, you know what I mean? Just trying to figure it all out, I think we found the problem. Motherfucking starter location left the chat as well as the bell housing. See if we can get it to focus. The bell housing left the chat too. So did the transmission. So did the drive shaft. Drive shaft exploded, broke the transmission and the motor. God damn.